Hello all, emoji grinning face with big eyes.
Whew. Well, that's a sad song. Makes me a little starting up the tearing, right? Well, yeah. Just was setting up actually YouTube, like always in the show, you know. Welcome back to CarX Part3, Wet-nessday 2.0. Just actually say, yesterday I somehow just write in actually Wet-nessday, right? I was sitting, what the hell? It's actually Tuesday, not Wet-nessday, Wednesday, right? Just say Wet-nessday because of drinking. It's like Tuesday, like actually something else as well. Well, first day to first day actually, but first day, you know, the stuff. So it's actually the 2.0, and I call it right now today a single player, and it's the number 318. So on this CarX, yeah, especially to YouTube it calls CarX, and you know, drift racing online, but it's never popping up here on YouTube. It's like I made just in famous game or something, but actually it is not, as you see. I like it very much. So right, just playing a little single player here and there. Just need to go to the toilet after two drift things. And I think something's coming up, you know. Or I just went out or something. Hold on a second. Oh, okay. Must be the salad yesterday. It was a little bit pepperoni-like, and somebody just was saying, "Oh, let's eat actually 3 eggs." Oh well. Yeah, today it was actually a happy work day as well. Or maybe for me, in the end actually for him as well, my side worker. But the problem is, you know, he got these trees are just growing up and just masturbating, right? The trees. Some people's, you know, they're having some allergy in this crack, and I know that. Yes, I mean, last year or something, I woke up 2 days long. Always when I waked up, and my eyes just was a little swollen, and just I'm not sure what it is, but it was very gluey and just overglued my oh gosh, you know, I don't know these words, this hair of the eyes, you know, whims, right? Whims, I think it calls. So yeah. So for what the hell's going on? And, maybe that allergic. Sometimes I have as well, or I don't know. It was the first time in my life, and last year it was 36. I was in this time, and don't know. I think now this year 35, right? Just kidding. Alright, just starting up here. Another car. But first up, music of the years, Spotify. Just want to send you the list later on. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Og just på sig. Tjus op kampagnen, så vi ser ud, så du skal på resten din Livestream. What is it? Oh, sorry for that one.
What I played at beginning here. URL.
You know what? Just want to show off in this one today. Where's it again? Here we go. What the hell is first up in here? Too many stuff in front of my keyboard. I can't actually write in here. What the hell? Takes a little while. I'm sorry.
Here Mike's at cool playlist, Def Nations, L4F3 gettin' poisoned. URL.
Arigato.
By the way, THX4 won a while.
What's that cell phone? 360 again? Oh, come on, dude. 144. That cigarette is actually smoking by itself? The hell no. Alright. Probably want to go with the BMW. I'm just running off everything. Waiting for actually level 24. Here we go. Something I hate. Somebody must. Cheers up, campaign, så vi ser ud, så du skal på resten din Livestream. Time for a little tequila. With a hat. What's Guy by Mac doing actually when I do the bad? Dul dul. Greetings. Cheers up. Tequila. Careful, loud. What's wrong with the ventilation system, goddammit? Hope it's working right now. Oh, now it's better. Careful. Stupid fans, I see that always too late. In the night times, somehow I can feel it. In the daylight, I'm hitting it all the time. It was so cracked. Did I touch something? Yeah, the fans. God damn it. Seriously, that's so much fucked up. I hate that to see, you know. God damn it! Oh my gosh! That's so amazing. I like that what it just did. Let's see how the graphic card works for the PlayStation 4 Pro. Oop, still the smoke is there. Boom! It's just the way. Whoa. Hi. You know, sometimes I'm doing this with the ventilation system because I'm smoking cigarette, right? And the smoke needs to get out. And there's always the smoke in front of my nose, my mouth, and I'm smoking it again, then I'm coughing. I hate that. And I can't get away actually with my fingers from the controller. I have only, you know, 2 hands, I think. I wish as a construction worker I had 4 hands. But then the heart is actually dying actually 30 years old, right? So it's not working. You need double heart then. But that's an inside joke for the Germans. Double heart. Ha 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 ha. Doppelherz. Shit. Bit tranquilizing. Alright, let's get away from this. Let's get away from this. Next track, or maybe next vehicle. Well, I'm saying all the time is vehicle to it. I'm not sure for that stuff. Dude! Already 100 milliliter of tequila? Oh well, there's another one coming up. Shit up. Kepaner Schwabi zurück, Goldbecher zum Lied spielen. Motoka! Oh, nein! Cap just went off. Dull boy. Number 900. Oh, that's cool. Let's get this done. Just for fun. The same one in racing? Oh, 2 minutes and 40. What was it before? Oh no. I'm not sure if I can beat that. Oh gosh, 2 minutes and 34. What was the time as I was drifting? Hahaha, I'm doing live stream, right? I can watch back, hold on. Where show it up? There we go. Okay, hold on. Cheater! So my drift lang was a 2 minute and 23. Oh no. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe close I can beat it. The drift was by 37k, 2 minutes and 23 minutes. Oh gosh, I'm not sure. I have to be actually 10 seconds there still left, but I'm not drifting then anymore. Okay, I think I can handle it. Okay, let's go. Intinori, of course. I'm trying to do Intinori. Yeah, trying. I like it. Ooh, what kind of music is that? Prodigy. Perfectly fitting. Out of space. New Kids on the Block, I should actually do. Hold on, I'm writing this down before I forgot that again. New Kids on the Block. Later on, but first up, this race. Then I'm going to the toilet and having some big business to deal done. Coming back and researching actually for that soundtrack of that Netherlands guys. Tequila? Yeah, I'm pleasing for. Headshot. Standing on space. Here we go. Cabronas. Come on, don't go crash. I can't actually speed up. I need to drift. Time is running, mate. Ready, return. 2 minutes and 10. Here we go. I thought actually I'm failing. I was so close to do actually race tires on. Yay. 210. Alright. 13 seconds faster actually as the drifting. But I crashed a lot. Here we go. I'll lose actually 10 seconds already in here. I need to watch that. I'm so sorry for that one. I'm going to toilet and be right back. Thank you very much for watching the little while. Arigato domoto ni. Mata mata. Ja, ich bin immer noch dran, ich weiß schon. Need to mute the microphone. Now I'm sitting in the toilet and you don't want to know actually what I'm doing in here. Pressing some action. Jetzt geht das Mikrofon nicht aus, oder? Oh, what the hell? Oh, jetzt ist auch schon wurscht. Oh. Wie ich schon gesagt habe, jetzt ist auch schon wurscht. Doesn't matter. Anyway, sausage, you know, kind of translating German to English. Doesn't matter now. It's anyway sausage. Ist eh schon wurscht. Chrissy macht das Würstchen. Ja, Mama, the Yeni D.R.O makes the sausage. Oh gosh, please stop. Already done. Let's clean the hands. Yay. Ja, wenn ich muss, dann muss ich. Na, lauf schnell. Ja. Ja, das zieht da noch. Sauhund. Oh, das riecht gut. Geil. Juhu! Juhu! Dau! Dau, 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 dau! Juhu! That's so good. Wanna have a beer? Open up the fridge, sir. Looky, looky. Ohio. Arigato. Keep on breathing. Kannst du was zum Abwischen, junger Mann? Tadaimasu. Oh, come on, Uni. Gomendasai. Yeah, well, this is actually 85 XP only instead of 576, or what was it last time on drifting? But sometimes this time attack makes fun. Especially using the same tires as on drift as well. Hurry up, hurry up. Ah, ich hab schon wieder was Mott im Mund drin, oder? That's actually my winner car. Already actually rate everything off on the list. Oh, come on. God, but Mac, your head is in front of actually these stuff. The scores. Oh, come on. Here we go. 5.8. In West Coast? Alright. Dang. Let's do a time attack on that vehicle. Well, we got a short one. 6 minute, a 3 minute. Hey, come on, it's the same track, only reverse. Why the 2.5 minutes actually different? Astron. Whoa, Pacific Hills. Oh, this is crazy. Let's go for it. 2 minutes and a half. And then we go back to drifting. It says Speedline GT, right? But it has drift tires on. Actually street tires for that vehicle, I think. Or was it 110%? Not sure anymore. Tschüss, hab kein Peiner, Schau, wie sie du, soll du Gold mit die Schneck spielen oder die Birne vollkauen. Kannst dich selber dann noch irgendwie aussuchen. Wenn es soweit seid, dass ihr mal meinen Stream schaut. Oh, schaut die kann auch. Oh, schaut die kann auch. Schaut die. Oh, somebody is actually watching. God damn it. Hello. Unknown watcher. Sternhageldicht Brew Export, süffig und würzig. Und der Sternhagel ich kann das nicht. Sternburg Brauerei. Sternhageldicht. Brauerei GmbH in Mühlstraße in Leipzig. Leipzig, das kommt von Leipzig, Junge. Schmeckt gut, süffig. Steht doch drauf. Süffig, würzig. Ah, meine Fresse, ich wiederhole mich gerade. Oh, holy shit. Alright. I'm sorry about that, German. Cheers up again. I'm sorry. I'm an alcoholic. And I'm a construction worker. Guess what? I don't have a license driver license. Oh, no, I'm confused. The music is so loud. Hold on. Yeah. This music again, right? Question. Why is the car not so loud? Like, actually, here we go. Volume was off on the headset. Oh, come on. Seriously? Kackbratzen! Oh mein ey, Sonne brennt ein bisschen her da. Jabba! Whee! That's such childish. Oh boy. Hate that when I'm zooming, at the same time trying to drink a beer. And that's zdrowie. Wow, that's a beer from yesterday. So warm. Ganbarimasu. Oh crap, mate! Couldn't brake. Sorry. Insurance will pay for that. Speed up, police are behind us. Oh gosh. In the end, I'm so sorry, I just crashed. I was braking, hand braking, but I was going strange. Fucking hell. Oh, look at that. How many traffic abuse I just did. Doing drifting in the cycle traffic stuff. No. In Germany, you're already in jail for 20 years. Oh, alright, that's cool. Splitting English and German traffic ways, okay. What the hell? Seems to be fine, but the drifting was, you know, another 2 years in jail. Let's count together. Oh, crack. Grandmother died. Alright. The zebra stripes in here. It seems to be normal cornering. Oh, flat out, man. 1 year extra. Going, oh my god, to the opposite side. No way. And now I lost control actually over my vehicle. I couldn't decide left or right. Another 2 years. Oh my god. The hydrant, another year. Yeah, must be 20 years in jail in Germany already. Speeding up and trying to, you know, getting away from the police. Another 5 years. I'm just kidding, of course. This song you will listen actually the next drift race, because sometimes you're playing the soundtrack actually a little while and going exit, going to the next actually drift race, and it will be there as well then. After the half of the song it not appears again. I found out. Alright, what the hell was that? So of course in Germany I think you're not getting 20 years. I think you're just abusing 4 to 6 years. If you was drunk, it goes to 10 years. If you was with drugs, it's the same, but if you was actually in a hurry because you got a pregnant wife with you, you get 2 years. Something like that, you know. Next vehicle. Roy. Oh my gosh, what I just did. Wow, I don't can actually cheer up with that beer from yesterday. It's warm and sparkless. Wow, with diving. Drinking this? Okay, now it's over with that. Beautiful. Let's cheat a little bit. Here we go. Nighttime, daylight. Nighttime, daylight. I never drove that daylight to watch out and seeing actually, and let's see people's actually as well in the live stream. How I just did that actually for the 5k or something, or 7k going over. Let's see if this Prodigio, the Lamborghini, actually dealing this track in daylight actually better than nighttime maybe later on. Spoiler. Wee wee. Now some tequila. Cheers up. Ushtonok. Gambatte. Alter, der wird schon aus der Fugen rauskommen, Alter. Hoppala! Oh, I'm so sorry for that one. I think the Thunder God is actually very, very unhappy what I just did, you know. He saw. But somehow at nighttime it makes more fun. You don't see actually what cruelty actually you try to deal with in here. Oh my god, totally forgot actually the Facebook users. I need to share actually something with the Facebook users. Hold on a sec. Facebook users. Be right back, hold on a sec. It's actually a half minute. What we can type in? Wet-nessdays worst and happy moments at CarX D.R.O. There we go. Please get some emoji in there. How are you feeling today? Ausgelaugt. Wo ist das ausgelaugt gewesen? Oh, das schaut nicht so schön aus. Gelangweilt, unglücklich, no way. Hungrig, kompetent, friedlich. Oh, sweet. Yeah, let's see. So sweet. There we go. Post it. There we go. All right. And you go into the middle box. I'll say in the middle box. What happened here? Here we go. Gosh, that girl looks great. I think it's KI stuff or something. It's crack AI generated. Let's deal done with something else. A bigger one. The point is the car is very loud and noisy. I'm sorry for that one. Maybe I can change that a little bit. But sometimes the music is as hell, I don't like it. And sometimes the music actually works for it. Sometimes the car is too loud and noisy. Especially the Japanese cars, of course. High-pitched. Oh, does my earplug just went crazy and just dropping off? That was actually a reason. Another beer. Just up campana show. Vi ser ut så du skal berøsten i snø. 40 minutes already in the live stream. Nice. For a minute under the table. I don't want to have to do this. I need to actually clean this up, so I don't want to do it. Just up whatever I'm talking. Sorry for that one. Oh, what the hell, dude? Huh? Yeah. Oh, that's better. Hold on. Get on the microphone, dude. Maybe some calls are coming. So head up. Oh, hold on. I need to change it a bit. Riddle up yourself, sir. Rape! Rape! Gosh. Now he looks busy on the microphone. Microphone aside. There we go. Oh my gosh. He looks so drunk or something, this. Uh-huh. Or is it better like this one? Grandpa is watching. I'm sorry. Oh, hell. Osternack. Come on, deal it done, ready. Like, this is so stupid. Now he's watching something. You're dealing done with that and wrong, right? Are you done yet? Oh my god, now he's looking weird. Hold up your teeth, sir. Rape! Well, now it looks professional. I like that stuff. Since last year, yes, this Halloween I just got him. Ordered actually the bat as well. Thought the bat is actually bigger like him with the wings. So it was fitting perfectly in his stomach. I'm gonna say in his chest. The first 2 days I was let him hang behind me on the green screen. So I decided to actually give him something, you know, something in amount. So there's actually my massage seat. Let's just let him sit it down. Know it? Oh. That was complicated with you, you know that? Ah. That's better. Sometimes the light is just making stuff up like this. Sometimes in the daylight he looks very great. Cheers up. Number G LP 560, I think it is. Of course, string 2. So back wheel, not all wheel. Tequila, tequila. And Yon. Dang. Sweet girl. But oh, I totally forgot something about the kids in the new blog and stuff. Okay, later on. stopped in the ending because I know in the end I'm just hitting a light pole when I'm going through the finish line. That's why it goes strange a little bit. Oh, great. You have no friends at 200 miles per hour. That's correct. Especially not on drifting. And you know, never on drifting you're reaching 200 miles per hour. Your tires will shredder off in seconds and you're over flipping and just dying anyway. By more than 50 over flips. Barrel rolls, right? On the roads, well, you know what I'm trying to say. I just did the DefNation sign, actually, like this camouflage edition of this LP, right? I thought, let's deal done with. Is it anyway an LP 560? No, it looks different right now. If I see that like that, that was an edition out on Need for Speed. Man, what was it called? Not Aventaro, Aventaro. Oh my gosh, I can't even speak that out. Oh, there was an addition actually in the back, actually, from the vehicle. There was still the transmission, but it's actually these cardan, well, it's just this cardan stuff. Something you're just seeing actually from the vehicle out, right? What kind of a Lamborghini was it? God damn it, I'm so sorry. That was on Need for Speed Rivals, I saw them the first time. This is not an LP 562, I just told you. But maybe it's just the facelift, you know. So it did actually the DefNation sign like these kind of cornering stuff of the aerodynamic stuff. So that's why I came on the idea, why not like that? It fits totally somehow. I was not drunk in this time, okay? I'm not repeating this anymore. Okay, for me it's a Gallardo, but something else. There's another car was looking like that one as well. It has 160 horsepower more. There was a Need for Speed. The Run. Need for Speed The Run, I think it was the first time. Was it? No, not Need for Speed The Run. What was that game again calling? And maybe it was Need for Speed The Run. Should I? Okay, I'm watching here right now. Hold on, I'm just trying to find that out in Google. What kind of a types of these Lamborghini there was? Okay, look at that. Lamborghini types. Something with EU. Something was starting up. Okay, it was not the Hurricane. Let's see. The limited series. Beyond tree, blah blah blah, Aventaro. Here we go, we're going actually to Lamborghini.com. Alright. I think they have the best ideas to tell me what kind of a car it was. All Lamborghini models. Here we go. Reventon. I think it was Reventon. No, it was not Reventon. Okay, that was a stealth model. The Hurricane. Nope. Euros. Nope. Countach. Cyan FKP. What the hell is that? Oh my gosh. So it was like this Countach, Cyan is, oh my god, they're looking great. Wow. Oh, okay, next, come on. What, that's it? Oh my god, they have great models right now. Hold on, Hurricane. Evo Spider. Can it be the Hurricane then? What are we driving here? Technica maybe? But they're called different, hold on. No. Never. Okay, Lamborghini models. I wanna find it, come on. Hurricane, Euros, limited edition. Where's the LP versions? Where are the LP versions? Hello? That is not all the Lamborghini models. And it's actually a Lamborghini.com. concept? There's no concept. Where are the LP models? Okay, we're going back. Hold on. Lamborghini LP types. Let's do this. LP types. Here we go. Let's see. Aventador LP 750. But we're calling different Lamborghini models. All the list. Here we go. Maybe now I'll find it. That's hinten die. Ah, here we go. Sesto. Sesto! I think it was Sesto. Hold on. Get it on Sesto. I think that was the car that I was talking about. Gallardo, Masilago, Diablo, Courage, Hurricane. Lamborghini 350. GT. Gallardo, Aventador, Hurricane, Universal, Lanzador? Diablo. No. Real Passiert, Courage. I think it was Sesto. Hold on. Okay, I got a picture then. Coming up. Centaurio Cian? Oh, what kind of a name is that? Cian Essenza SC20? Oh my gosh. And here's the car. Okay, is it this car? Yeah, it looks like, yeah, it is. Lamborghini, here we go. It must be the Sesto. It was Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. That was a Need for Speed, definitely. That is the car we're driving right now as well. Sesto Elemento. Alright, I'll save this one in here. Favorite list. So it's actually this car. Sesto Elemento. Elemento? Elemento.
Lamborghini Sesto Elemento. What I am drifting.
Gallardo with 1L or with 2L? Gallardo.
Thought it's a Gallardo. Lol. I love Dragon NFS a lot. Especially LP versions.
Alright, back to Facebook. I'm going to PB right. The hell? Dang, thank you very much. Somebody's watching. Maybe not anymore, but doesn't matter. I just need to actually find myself around what kind of a car I'm using for. It's the Sesto Elemento. Here we go. Couldn't get the mouth full right. Now the water is gone. They're coming back, definitely. Wanna have a beer, sir? Hi. Grab some. Thank you, sir. Oh. Launenspaß haben. 5000 Followers. Bin mal weg, hat er gesagt, oder? Neue Aufrufe über 16 Stunden. Ist da viel Leute rumlaufen? You could actually you know, okay. Comment on YouTube. I just lost you those. Yo, you got 2 messages, man. Oh crap. About China, North Korea, liked it. I'd like actually something I wrote actually down with this President Olaf Scholz. Oh, Angela Adams, what's wrong? Well, I think my talking is over. Nobody's watching anymore. Up to Japan. An hour live stream is gone. Thank you very much for watching, by the way. Doesn't matter how many people are watching right now. Let's see how many people is actually down below. Oh, 1 string left. Oh my gosh, we have to use the other controller. I just reloaded it, right? 7 people's like yesterday again. Oh, crack. And I am... Okay, let's see. 6 people's, 5 people's, 1 person. I'm number 5 by 2 people's watching, okay. YouTube versus Twitch, 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 Twitch. Everybody's twitching. Huh. I'm the only guy YouTubing in here. That's weird. 10.3 gigabyte. That's weirdo. Weirdo. Lalelo. Oh, my eyes are hurting today. Too many dust getting in. Hitting plates into the wall to lay them dry. It's kind of these chromatic plates you just get in. They're not actually rusting. Chrome carbonate, chrome, what is it? Chrome nickel plates, better say. Chrome nickel steel plates, better say. Robbed. Wavy lines, better say. So not having anyway a chance. How it doesn't matter how you pull it in, the water is not coming through anyway then anymore. So we have the extra plus plates instead of the other 2 companies on Bavaria. It's Larry, of course. If I'm actually saying nobody's watching anymore and I feel already down, it is Larry. In the area. Arena. Oh, arena? Arena. They say arena. Now I really feel a little bit bored and coming down a bit because the working of 3 areas today. Construction areas. It's kind of, you're getting a little bit sleepy, but actually I'm fresh. But my body system says, oh, I want to go to bed, and my mind will say, let's drink. Was ist das denn tun? Tschüss, auf Kampagne, Shop, Salut, Salut, Gold, Bros, und Direkt spielen. Salut, 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 so, Salut, 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 Gold. Yeah, whatever. No stripping all the time today.
No drinking for me, just the ganja.
What's going on? No drinking for me. Just the ganja. Well.
Always trying to drink. But I'm outburned from work a while.
Yeah, I try my best today. Tonight, better say. Sorry, mate.
So, I try my best.
I think yesterday you typed in RIL.
Larry, where you from again? In real life, that's a Livestream on road, right?
Or was it the
I'm
other
from the
guy,
United
Hugo?
Kingdom. So over Twitch mostly. May yesterday it was Hugo commented he do in real life. Thought in real life means Ireland, lol.
Yeah, something like that.
My sidekick on construction site means he do street live streams in real life. In real life means in real life.
In real life. Oh, come on! In real life. IRL, Ireland. Oh, that is so fucked up.
LOL. LOL. I'm YouTuber, not Twitcher dude anymore.
I know they do so. That's cool. So Hugo is actually doing... What was it calling again? In real life. Okay. But in real life. In real life streaming. Where's the streaming, right? Live streaming, but V. Live, the V then? Okay, it doesn't matter. IRL ST or something. Okay, it doesn't matter. I should shut the fuck up. I don't know about this stuff. I'm sorry. Come on, aside. So yesterday you watched football. Oh, yeah, of course. Who was playing yesterday in the Champions League against Manchester? You watched it? I didn't. I was watching FC Bayern versus Arsenal.
FC Bayern vs Arsenal. I watched yesterday in the same time I live streamed CarX. So at second half I quit CarX'll stream. I don't watch football anymore, just a little combat sport. How was Manchester versus? Only Amazon Prime to Manchester versus?
I don't watch football.
No free
anymore.
TV, they
Just
say.
a little combat sport. Oh.
Do you know the way? No soccer. Okay, I growed up. My father was important as streaming it and recording it on a company to German TV, skipping the rest. Free TV. And I was always on him. RTL, ARD, ZDF. So I got in out of it too, since I was 1-2 I liked it. Now I don't in it anymore. More rally, F1 is just too much paid. More risk for rally drivers and underpaid. So it's like soccer as well versus construction works. I got a website you can use on your PS4, but it's not for live events. Vomit, 1 million a 3-month and construction worker with the same dangers by 3000. WTF.
What do you mean with your own website? What do you mean with that, Larry? Do you know the way? I got a website you can use actually on the PlayStation 4. It's not for live events. I hate live events, okay? I'm not a competitor or something this. But I'm not sure what you mean with that. I'm sorry, I need to go to the toilet on Taino. Sorry, obviously it's Japanese. What do you mean with your own website? I don't understand. Just send it me. Just send me the website. You make commercial in here. I don't have problems with commercials if you just send. Everything's good. I'll be counting actually 1, 2, 3, some E, D. What's 0 in Japanese? Rei. R-E-I. And it flows. No. It flows a lot. Must be the
2 moments just turning the PS4 on.
That girl is always so sad. she's speaking this out. Panic Mechanic 1997. I will watch that later on. Thank you very much. 2 moments, just tuning the. Oh, okay. Turning on the PlayStation 4. Alright, I'm drifting a bit. Tjus op kampanje, så hvis jeg lyser ud, skal jeg prøve sådan en stream. For middag. No stripping. The construction wall dry laying. So many dust all the times. Old dust. With the bump. With the bottom on. It's actually great music, great Britain music from 20 years ago. I like this stuff. Now the South African are just actually getting this in, pumping in. Great actually stuff. Trying to get away a little bit from funk music. Your controller is just disconnected. Now it is connected again. Oh, I changed anyway the controller. Perfect. Yay! Hold on, I need to reload the other one. My drift controller actually. A little bit actually lower on weight. Because I ripped off actually some vibration system on the controller. Cheers up. Gambarimasu. The vibration is working, I can't believe that. The broken U controller has vibration. Wow. That is so feeling good. Where are we going, Lambo? Where are we going, sweetheart? Get away from it. Having a crazy day, eh, Lambo?
It's got the latest movies and TV series on there. When it sends you to another page, just close the page.
Oh, the commercial, Larry. You just want to try to hack me. Just send you a web link, dude, and that's all. That is a little bit suspicious here with spamming, phishing, and all this stuff. I'm an ordinary construction worker, but I'm feeling a little bit wrong placed in here. That's weird.
Check it.
But where? He's moving to TV series. And the program is sent you another page. Just close the page. Why should I close the page in here? It makes no sense for me. You already hacked me. That's weird. Taro på deg, hva? Må ta ikke på ta på han da, ja.
Better not smile. Because it's an ad before the movie.
Why should I actually close down my YouTube commentary screen in here? Nope, that is weird. Alright, I'm continuing here. Just send me the website, dude, or just a link for it. Or did I do something wrong with it? You dealing around with the darknet or something here? Dude, if you have a web page and you just want to actually send it in here and just make it commercial, I feel okay with that. Everything's good. You can send it me actually on the defnation7@com, you know, you can send me that actually over my email. Now watching it later, no problem. You can find that actually in these, I think an information, right? I hope I still have it on. Hold on, I need to check myself now. Oh my gosh, checking myself out of my account. This is worse. Information says nothing, right? Oh yeah, it says actually something. Email address. Yeah, definition YouTube, freenet.de. She sent these one actually on that stuff. Alright. So you can see actually my email address.
Give me your PSN, I'll send you a screenshot.
So you can send it actually on freenet.de. I'm sorry, that German stuff. It's like all the times they're speaking then I'm a Nazi, I'm not a Nazi. I'm just a German Bavarian. I like to drink beer and all this stuff. Give me your PSN. Harry, I thought actually be friends. What the fuck, dude? Oh, okay, no problem. Oh, ha. That doesn't matter. Should be hack me or something this crack, you know. Okay, actually it's this DjVolgin, right?
DjVolgin. But I am now on Defnation CB. My sidekick acts to DjVolgin, PsN Acc. I'm just worried about your stuff to get hacked away. DefRekka Acc R.I.P. 20082022.
Yeah, kind of. What was it actually? It was 13 years, yeah. Yeah, 2011. Okay. You know me? I'm not sure about that one.
I was get hacked, like my YouTube channel after 3 years as well. So I am a bit very careful. I mean I am not dealing with stupid stuff, may sometimes I do hate speech short, but AI YouTube Google. So I lost my YouTube Acc DefRekka. This year 18 January. 2nd November 2022 I lost PsN Acc DefRekka after more than 4 years. So I'm not any more happy by buying games. I deal with 150 a year now for free games at Sony's PsN deals.
Watching. You have enough.
Did you get it?
Yeah, okay. Whatever. Talking for the year. Alright. My cigarette is smoking by itself. Already need to get a pee again. What the fuck is going on? Maybe at the same time he's hacking me as well, like the other person's trying to do. And you know, that's unfair. I'm 37, I'm a construction worker, always hard depressed, and if this happens again, I quit completely and hang myself or something, or just sting myself actually through the throat. I'm a good worker on construction side, but this is just taking... Well... I'm a lost person finally. I lost so many stuff in my life. If you don't have a father or mother, fuck it. If you book yourself since 6 years actually, you're all up by yourself and they want to see you bleeding. Just by something else they don't like to see.
It's just a movie site you can use on the PS4.
It's always the same shit, you know. I see coming in 2 months or something here, I got a connection or something, somebody don't like my stuff, what I'm dealing done. I mean, I'm paying for it. I'm doing everything actually very cleanly done. But maybe some person actually from Arabia, because he's connected with the Great Britain, don't want to like that. Gives a $500,000 away to just get me, fuck me up or something. They like to do this and dealing done with that. I see always the worst on humanity, you know. Like I just grown up with a stepmother who stole everything from you in the childhood, and he was working outside, stealing the money as well. Until I was 12 and going to the Patchwork family. Better habitate then. It's always the same crap, right? Don't trust nobody. It says, but you know, I'm not this guy. I'm not these guys that's saying actually, oh, he's coming from blah 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 and here and there. It's kind of different. I give them always a chance. And 50-50, I'm never wrong actually, all this stuff. But that is virtual, digital. I don't know Larry, so he knows me. He saw my face, he see everything, live streaming, blah blah blah. I don't know him. Not correctly. And he's Great Britain, actually completely against German and brown collar and all these stuff. Well, I speak a lot of languages and I don't care about where they're from or something else. So thanks, I'm not a manager actually, these kind of, what is the other ones? Taking a lot of, yeah, managers. Oh okay, sorry. No, it's just, I don't know. I trust more Americans like Great Britons right now with this Brexit stuff that came on. It was not my fault. We're still paying for Poland actually a lot of actually tribute monies for this World War II, right? Not even my uncle was in this war. Not even my grandfather was in the war. God bless him, because he was always in the farmerhood outside of the field. He was against actually this all of Hitler. I don't like these Nazis. I don't like my politic even. They're researching in Great Britain all the time, so truck drivers from Germany. It's not my fault what happened with Brexit, you know. Corrupt Germany anyway with the policy. Oh, I'm sorry, try to pee. Come on, let's keep it moving!
Germany started.
I don't talk about that right now. I talk to myself, sir. Don't listen to that. What I'm talking in toilet right now to myself. There's not even a Miro. I'm just talking to myself as I has a twin brother or something. His name is not Christopher. I think his name is then Sebastian. Baby mother just killed my twin brother. That's why I'm talking sometimes to myself. Sorry for that one. I mean, I'm German. I'm trying to translate it in English at the same time. I'm sorry. Forget about it. Let's grab some beer and just sorrow that one. Drink that sorrow away. I think they're talking about like that, right? Sup, squirrels? Nice. Ah. How happened? Did you get it? Yeah, no hacking. Okay, it wasn't first, huh? What? I say second. Yeah, I say second World War because of Poland. We're still paying for them. And I don't know, it's the 7th generation. Okay, maybe 4th generation. I don't get it because, I don't know, you know, I just give a fuck. Right now. I'm from work, I'm coming and just wanna play a game, chilling out. When I'm waking up tomorrow in the morning, I'm wanna get it, okay? On Freenet. Don't worry, man. Mate. Not right now. There's a live stream to be done. And I'm wasting 20 minutes right now on this track, you know. But when I'm waking up and seeing, oh, 10 minutes I still have left to go to the toilet and go into the work, I will watch it. Don't worry, mate. Promise you. What is the matic anyway? I don't know. I just want to watch actually these, hold on, I can just write that down here. It calls so. Panic Mechanic 97 tonight after live stream.
Wanna watch Panic Mechanic 1997 tonight after L stream.
Oh, what was his name? Jack, right? Hi Jack. Hi Jack. Hi Jack. Or hi Jack. And somebody was actually shot in his foot. This black guy. He was saying hi Jack.
Was on
hi Jack.
Shorts by the hijack.
Tipped down actually the double shotgun.
Tropic
and he shot his foot. You know, that was so funny. And I tried actually find a Topic Thunder I know already. And trying to find out how the movie was called. And so there was a long action in the compound, actually in the construction side. And I found out it's Panic Mechanic 97. Topic Thunder sounds better. No, I just saw that short track. Hi Jack, and they're just clapping in the hands. Hi Jack here, hi Jack there, right? And then he was standing actually in front of these traffic lines with the lights. And then he was actually the common Negro actually trying to stealing or robbing him, right? And he was saying, hi Jack! And then he actually clapping the double shotgun, right? And just tap it down and he shot himself actually in his toes, right? But what the hell is going on in here? So I found the movie already on YouTube and I just want to watch it actually until the end. I just watched 14 minutes or something. It's a weird, crazy movie down below, actually 97 and stuff. So, I thought, what the fuck they just did in there. And I just watched the resolution about 720p. I say, alright, that's watchable on YouTube then. Alright, so I just did the night. So I'm not drunk here. I'm not even sober plus or something to get a little drunk. I was drinking today 5 beers. Now I'm by 7 beers, so I'm not even in the mood to actually play this forwardly. I need to drink more, so please do not disturb a drifter or something. I just advised or something. It's just down below. Be advised, don't command on a drifting live streamer when he's actually on a drifting. Some questions? We have plenty time left of the drifting. Yeah, that is already off the drifting. But I'm not drunk, and that's my problem. I want to get drunk, watch the movie, waking up tomorrow, and be myself on the construction area. Sorry, dude. So we're losing a lot of time here. That's why I don't dealing done actually commentaries or, yeah, solving problems. When a girl is coming up in here, there's something different. I just give a buck, you know, a buck actually on drifting. I just want to, you know, talk with her, of course. But we are dudes, mate. Sorry. Don't make it personal. YouTube, you get a new message about Russia and Putin. I want to watch tomorrow, definitely in the morning time when I was standing up at 4 o'clock or something at 55. I'm watching then your sending stuff. If you're trying to find myself right now, it's Defnation CB. If you just wanna actually following me on that DjVolgin, but then, you know, that's my main account right now on the PlayStation Network. And you know, I think you just are you following me, subscribing in here? And you know, if you don't worry, I don't care. I just deleted on Sunday so many people right now again. I'm just dealing done with this because the list is endless all the times on the left side on YouTube. I'm saying this is not important, that is not important. Make a break. I take a break for all the subscribers and all what I love, and to subscribe some of their channels, because it takes more than a month to see something interesting again. So I'm not unhappy if you just describe, you know.
We love
everything's good. If you describe, then I'm uninteresting. Came later in a half year and we meet again. Subscribe then again. I'm not, you know, I'm not pissed. Yeah, DefRekka, R.I.P. Fucking hackers. 812 games away. 60,000 money is actually just gone in European money. 13 to 14 years actually I was live streaming, and at the same time that was the trophy list I was coming up at 2008, right? And I was working with DefReaper and DefRekka then. I was in the army time, came back, activated with the Japanese girl, she was living with me, Eureka. 2008, the trophy list, we was playing Resident Evil 5 and I was coming up. She's now in Japan, sometimes she was playing games with me. And I got sometimes a little trouble. She was saying she missing actually DefRekka account because she was playing games with me at the same time. So she was making trophies when I was at work. So I came sometimes home the last years and I think, oh my god, there's new trophies, yay! Now DefRekka account is gone because I was just get hacked away. Maybe it was Sony by itself. Just up campaign trophy. I just want to drift away here right now a bit. So sorry for that one. Student exchange it was calling this time. That was a Japanese girl. That's why I was a little bit into Japanese. Mostly we talked actually English, and yeah, she was trying German, I was trying Japanese. But you know, now she's a doctor. That's cool. Cheers up. Oh, Eureka. I'm missing that girl. Today I was seeing actually over the bridge running on this, where I'm living in this village, bigger village, 20,000 peoples. I was saying actually to Japanese, the mother and the daughter. I'm saying, that's Japanese, not Chinese. My side worker actually was saying, always like Asians or Chinese. They know that was especially Japanese. Tourists maybe in here. I know these faces, the eyes. The form from the head or something. The skinny or something like that, you know.
Have you ever seen a Bigfoot?
What the hell is wrong with you, mate? Yeah, what was it called again? Oh, hold on. Was it 2 or 1?
I've seen 2. Funny, at the crew 1 or 2.0. LOL.
I've seen 2. Oh man, you stoned? Okay, Rina.
Ukira bright smile. Stoned or what? LOL.
Was ist denn los mit dir? What's going on with you, mate?
Saskch is real, man. It ripped my foot off.
Gosh. It's real, man. I ripped my foot off. Hold on. If it not true. Oh!
The government are hiding them. Nin, I will break up inners if it is not truth. Smile.
I want to rip off my foot up in your ass if it's not true. You say so, of course. Neanderthaler. What's that in English meaning? Tails, tailors, tail. Okay, I'd say like this one or this one, right? I'm sorry, my German English. Giant. Oh gosh, exist. Oh my god, my English. I'm so sorry.
Neanderthals may like giant sharks still exist. I trust a bit. Like mermaids alive too.
Yeah, mermaids. I think they're hiding and covering 80% of the oceans are not actually, you know, get watched on and discovered, you know, so Bigfoot is like, you know, Sasquatch is yeah and no. There's so many pranks and so many fakes around. They're just turning it off actually, like Bigfoot maybe existing or something, right? So yeah, still I believe.
Bigfoot relatives are called Littlefoot. I believe on extraterrestrials 100, cause Maya and Inca culture. Where they got the tools also to build the pyramids. Extra testicles. For you they may was brown bear's smile.
Extraterrestrials. I know what you mean. My English German. I'm German. I never teach or get taught English. I teach myself for 2008 to 2011 by myself. Like the Japanese language as well a bit. Sorry for that one. I'm German Bavarian. Normally, ich spreche nur Deutsch. Entschuldigung. Ich habe mit Englisch überhaupt nichts zu tun, großer. Entschuldigung. Ist halt ein mieser Scheiß. So ein kleiner Tick. So sir, now I need to go to the toilet and pee off again because you're typing very much with me. I hope it sometimes actually... Oh, I need to actually installate Skype again. God damn it. That was in the time actually I could teach my English by myself and with the other guys actually from the Central and USA. From the Finland guy, from the Denmark guy. Get teach actually the suspension on cars. I was get teach a little bit by myself. 80% my English by my Langenscheid book. And 20% came actually from the Central in America. He was teaching me English a bit while actually a student from Japan teach me English, the Japanese. I teach him English, and that was the exchange student. And I was a girl, and she was so helpless. And I was saying, okay, I got a little bit of room for her to actually make her a doctor title. And she was living actually 2.5 years on my side. So, yeah, that's my history. Somehow, my first apartment. Yeah. As I was starting up my construction work. Not business, I'm still a worker. Don't worry. I'm not so big. I even don't have a driver license, dude. Never got sex in my life. What the fuck? And there were so many chances with her as well. But she was actually with this traditional Japanese marriage, man. And I was saying, oh, that's complicated. I should actually ship myself over Japan and making actually, you know, these, you know, marriage stuff and saying, I love beer. Not you. I love beer. Oh my gosh. If your wife, you know, trying to ask you, say the word, I love you. And you are standing in front of her and you're saying like, married to children's, I love beer. Not you, but beer. My car, my Cobra 357 or something. Oh my gosh, you get slapped. But doesn't matter, you say it. I love... Yeah, well. Just kidding. Oops. You're not better coming home the next 4 days. Yeah. But she's worrying and trying every pop actually to call him. It's actually my husband there. He didn't was saying the word loving you. We're together since 16 years. Yeah, that's the call of actually in Germany we call it eine schrecklich nette Familie. It's kind of married with children. Al Bundy stuff, you know. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm still peeing. Come on, where is pee's coming from all the times? Leader-wise. Budweiser. Oh my god. I grew up in a farmhood, you know, where the hops actually get, you know, harvested. So I know what I'm talking about. Beer, malt, and, you know, that brew water and all these stuff. I can tell you stuff like that. Grew up with the works in 6 years I was. Here is actually the original gangster from Bavaria, Germany. It says how to brew beer. Thanks to my uncle. I can be drunk. I'm original gangster from Bavaria. I'm sorry for that one. But still speaking English. Weirdo, right? Come on, dude. Let's play. My controller's still online? Yeah, it is. Ooh, that was nice. So it's a Sesto Elemento. Okay, the Sesto Elemento in the background, and in the back, and the trunk. There was a cap on the car. Not there and here because an aerodynamic finisher or something. So it's not a Gallardo. It's a Sesto Elemento. I found out before. Thought actually it's a 562 or something. Nope, it's an Elemento. She's up campana show. I love beer to drink, I'm sorry. It's cold. Like you know, having a little smoke with your, yeah, the green stuff, okay? Tequila, and then let's keep on moving. I have nothing to throw away here. Gava Mac and Nitro the bad. I'm so sorry. He hates very much the beer. Loves the tequila. What I'm drinking in here. Yeah, tequila. Cheers up, dude. I'm from Earth. Nice to meet you.
Love the ganja.
Oh my gosh. Not the ganja. Das macht mal jemand aus dem Stuttgarter Bereich, Bremerhaven oder sonst wo. They have no style actually to talk English. I'm more like American stylish, and I like Bavarian has this American style to speak. But the rest of Germany, oh my gosh. No, they don't even say gosh. They're having this weird English. The Great Britain speaking, but broken Great Britain style. It is so ugly to hear. I hated it so much. So poorly. Tea time. Is it like it is like this? It is. And especially this. This. They say this. Oh, come on, stop this one. Getting a little bit over your tongue and say this. With a D, not with a TH. It is. I hated this German and it's still there. It's still under politics. It's still all over in Germany. But the Bavarian having a little style for speaking English. American English. I know it's a little bit blah 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 English for the Great Britain, but it has something. Like you say ganja stuff, you know. Ganja style. Sorry, dude. Dripping it a bit here. Here we go again. Maybe a little bit swallowing.
My sister says hi.
Hello. What's going on? Are you... Huh? Your sister? Why she's doing that? Oh yeah, she knows the skeleton, but she never saw actually my face. That's good, that's fine. I'd say her actually a greetings out for myself as well. This is if you're playing too long drifting games, you're looking like the skeleton guy of a Mac. Oh crack. She's playing maybe a long time Fortnite. I'm not sure. In time, say, oh whatever. I don't want to talk about that. Oh, I got something for you, dude. If you on that stuff, maybe you like that one. There we go. If you have Spotify, enjoy that one.
She's player my CarX while I make a blunt. URL.
Yep.
Good ganja song smile.
CarX while I make... oh! She's playing CarX? A girl plays CarX. That is hot. That was my brain. Sorry. That's cool. Like it. Oh, she didn't play it against me yesterday, right? When? Oh my gosh. What? Is there a problem? No. In Germany, they're always female, maleism,
Yeah, she did.
TS, she-male, lady boys, and then these gendering. I give a fuck about that one. Is she playing CarX and she's very good? Respect. I don't want to kiss her feet because it's thinking about drifting, but I want to kiss her hand then. Come on, I'm a construction worker. My feet's are always thinking if I'm, you know, getting out of my shoes, coming home. Hello? Yeah, she did. Oh, god damn it. Alright.
She plays a lot of top 3 too in CarX.
Wow. Okay. I feel already lost. What the hell I'm doing is still in here. Should I, you know, stop the live streaming and just kill myself making questions and drink myself to death and nobody knows about that because I'm not in the live stream anymore? Nope. That's okay, I say respect. So, hello. I am what I am, and she is doing and dealing done with myself yesterday. Oh, crack. I hate just tandem driving, okay? I hate tandem driving. I am very, very bad in this. XDS, tandem driving, forget about it. Yeah, it is like that. Oh, come on, I'm ready. Check it out a little bit. Oh, the car's missing, right? Yeah, that account. Compramos. it up so far.
She said, how old are you?
Be right back, sorry I'm drifting. Be wise. Don't talk to a drifter. Wow, that was a nice one. 7047 XP and a 52k and a 227 in 2 minutes and 35. Actually, it was a 22 minutes and 35. We talked a lot. Dang. But I have to tell you something. It's like if this will crack. Hold on a second. I'll show myself in the camera. I hope it's okay. It's like this one, right? You have the headset on. Now I'm gone. Right. So get the earplugs in, just get the headset on. So this is actually the point what I'm doing. Spotify listening, at the same time headset on for the game. So sorry for that one.
Two sounds input. So sometimes I can't hear what the girl virtually says out. Speaking in a my ear smile. In worst live, 3718 March 1987.
Gosh, the car is so loud. I'm so sorry.
She's 35, born 1989, February 5.
Oh.
Need to find my personal ID. Yup, it says oh hell no. 37 already, sh odd.
Was heißt ein Steinbock wieder auf Englisch? Meine Fresse, warte mal. Steinbock. Ich hab's mal gewusst.
Capricorn, dang, always on fire smile. Be right back. Toilet. Again.
Sorry.
Lot of beer and tequila means a lot of pen burner.
I think it's the tequila.
Good night, sweet Rekka. She's got to get ready for the night shift.
Okay. Gamarmas, good luck. I think it's the tequila. If I'm drinking beer, normally I can drink actually 1.5 liter to 2 liters and then I need to the toilet. If I'm drinking tequila and CRBs, I need all the times actually 20 to half hour to pee. I'm sorry for that one. Championship? Did you just say something? Yeah, greetings out there. Good luck out there for that shit. That's crazy. Oh, that's actually, I know what you mean. Is that the online mode? There's something else on CarX, I know that. I tried once out. I was not very good in this, since it's mostly actually tandem. I'm very versed on this. Side by finding your heart and being all the times door by door stuff. I'm not good in this stuff. Nope.
She's back.
Every car is different, every track is different. The point is, you know, it's kind of these suspension work is different than you're dealing up with another car, not all the times the Nissan or actually a Mitsubishi or something. That is complicated. If I'm playing an American car against actually a Japanese car, it's hardcore difficult about the Trans Am or these kind of, doesn't matter. The gear shifting, it must be fitting together like hard to hard, double hard. You must be perfect with, you need to find a partner for that, to do tandem perfectly. And I don't have. And I hate tandem, okay? I'm so sorry. I'm Pisces, but I hate these tandem. Sorry. I swim by myself for that. The sun just cracked eluding. Yeah. Okay, I need to stop actually talking to trying to, you know, find myself by peeing. Ha ha ha. I'm getting old, come on! It takes a little while. There was a lot of Newton meters actually I just pushed into the walls today. And still I have these, you know, my knees are hurting, everything hurting. It's construction work? No, it's not. It's dry laying. With these chromatic nickel plates. You're pushing into the brick walls to lay down actually, to get the water system actually not into the walls anymore, vertical. And sometimes there's some mortar you can't go through because there's too many cemetery, no, hold on. Concrete, too many concrete into this kind of these. My English sucks for that. I need to show you that. Everybody, I need to show, even in German, I need to show what I'm talking then for. They don't have no imagination actually for that, what I'm dealing done. But we're dealing actually done with normal construction works, of course. Bricklaying, making basements, all this stuff. And sometimes there's a side works, they're making a lot of money actually for the company, and that is what we're dealing right now, yesterday and today together, and free construction sites actually today, and fine ass. Even plastering a little bit on this first construction site area, we're plastering a little bit to it, to the wall. So there's no much work to deal done. I asked my other construction worker, if you have time, make the finishing working, you know, on the plastering. And then the color dude came on and maybe making his color down for the, what's it calling actually? English sucks for that one. I only have pictures for that one. Sorry for that one. She's back. What? She says goodnight. Oh, what? She's going to what? In the night, you got to get ready for the night shift. Ah, night shift! Now gotcha.
Nabar. Work just got cancelled, she said. I thought she is into a champions run. Sorry. Fat voice of the girl here virtually. LOL. Top 3-2. YouTube and Livestream. If you get your console on Japanese or USA, there is a girl talking to your comments. It's worst if she translate UK into USA. Lol. As a German, lol, whatever.
Top 32. Huh?
Arnold Schwarzenegger is my AI voice. Huh, cancelled. Hope not, because she want to see more of my trashy. She's in top 3-2 on San Plaza. LOL. But not on PlayStation.
Oh, what's it calling if you're just doing this? I know. Voice.
There is a voice equalizer.
What is it calling again, man? I know. Pitch. The pitch. Yeah. Nah, where's the minus?
She's not got one, she plays mine normally. So you dealt on a pitch which -4.
You need to get a chopper.
To get this girl voice.
Okay. Shifting. Yeah. Well, that's fucked up. She was preparing the whole half day and she get cancelled? What kind of shit is that? She may be preparing for 4 hours, actually go to the shower again, preparing for the work, and have no shift nightly, or what? What kind of shit is that? Oh, come on.
She's still getting paid.
Okay. Are you telling me the truth and you're still not a hacker or something? I'm not sure about you again. Hackers get paid actually 24/7, right? Can I trust you or not? I'm not sure about you, mate. Alright, let's continue in here. The law fall away, my heart. No trust anymore again. You not get paid actually if you just have me a counseling
She's
again.
a nurse.
Or maybe this night, so you not get actually paid. She working actually on McDonald's or KFC or something, you not get paid. So what the hell she's doing then? I'm confused, so can I trust or not? Okay, I'm sloppy in here. Let's see the first one in here, which already get done. Oh my god, icy night, here we go. Oh, that's something different. Whew.
Fats or hot?
What is that similarity? Not that one. Ah, here we go. Okay, I don't need this, you know,
She said behave. I'm a bit blushed. construction worker and may in future having a nurse is a dream. For all construction workers I mean.
Yeah, this, oh my god, exhausting my English. Sorry.
Only if you get 60 years old, then it is disgusting. Sorry my English. She said join top 3 to San Plaza, she's waiting for you to join. Nurse I respect hard.
I got it, dude. Alright,
That's why
cool.
you say shift.
Yep, shift work. Uh-huh.
She said what is hard?
Plaza. Why it says 32 San Plaza? What's she waiting for me that? I don't know. She said, what is hard? What is hard? Did I say hard? I don't understand these top 32 San Plaza. She's waiting for you to join. Hold on. A player sent an image to the group. Headlock, is that you? Oh, this is not. What the fuck? I told you I'm not good in XDS. I'm very the worst and I can't deal this done. I don't want to contact the other cars. And that makes me very sad and very unhappy to see when I'm crashing then. Because the transmission, the gear shifting, I'm using a Japanese car, I'm using a European exotic or something, or an American muscle. And it's not working. I don't want to drive these Japanese car. Everybody is driving like to do deal done with the Tandem XDS. I'm very sorry.
Him off for that.
Yeah.
Heartbreaks.
That makes me
There's
destroy
some
myself
rules
as
on
well.
myself as single.
You know, there are some games. I was a lot with DefRekka account playing with a lot of girls, and there was so many crap games and crack. And you know, these kind of Freddy Krueger games, or these what was that? Dead for Life.
She said she will give you her Ganda Genesis tune for top 3 too.
It doesn't matter. I blame myself. Instead, I hate myself at the same time. I'm hard depressive. I grew up with hard depressive because my stepmother. If I see I can't do it, I can't deal it. I'm getting depressive and I hate myself. Not her. I hate myself. And this evening, or better say the afternoon right now, the nighttime, is going to shit. So tomorrow I feel very worse until actually 12 o'clock in the morning time at midday. And it takes... I can't even sleep then. I like to drift, but you can't understand that. It's like you want to have that lollipop with especially something on what you like the inner side, but you have to actually swallow the outside first. And you are still having a good friendship with someone, and then you're swallowing actually the very sour or something actually off to get the sweets one first. It takes forever, and you hate in the same time. You hate yourself in the same time, right? It's hard to explain. Oh man, I can't. I'm German, come on, I'm Bavarian. Fang ich da dir gar nicht so sprechen mit dir. That's always like this. Ich weiß doch selber nicht, was da immer Sache ist. Versteht doch keine Sau nicht, oder? Doch, die Sau das verstehen, wenn sie mit der Wilsgabel hinten reinsteht, dass das mal Schieß geben und dann sagt er, na, dann sagt sie du machst mich halt nicht so wurscht. No, it's very difficult. This is crazy. First eating up this, or licking off the sour and then getting into that. Don't forget about that. That is crazy. I hate Tandem. I told you that. The XDS. That's why I'm just playing actually these other, you know, these, oh gosh, what are they called? Whatever. I'm confused now. It's not working, dude. I am since more than 3 years on these CarX Drift Racing Online. With 3 accounts right now. 3 accounts. DefRekka R.I.P. I was 1.5 years with DefRekka.
She said fine.
Fine. She's dead inside now for me. It's kind of a girl just decided in that moment, okay, that guy isn't coming. Go fuck yourself. I search for somebody else. Done. I mean, for real life as well. But that is virtual, right? But I'm 37. Maybe she's younger. I don't know. Okay, she's a little bit, but not more. But there's girls around with the cell phone, WhatsApp or something. And if you're just saying, I can't come around for a little date or something, she already, the eyes is just going around for another actually future husband, right? Something like that. I know what's going on. I grew up in the family actually like called Patchwork family of 3.5 years long, with 9 own daughters from her, from the Patchwork family mother. I know what's going on in here. Everything's good. Trying to be neutral. I'm not. I hope the energy is not going wrong. Oh, come on, I'm trying actually to pee in here right now. No, all the times I need to speak myself out. As a Bavarian Germany. Come on, stop English talking. Oh, that's maybe the music as well. I like that. Drinking beer, tequila.
She was hoping you were single.
Oh no, I have 10 wives and I'm thinking actually, oh, Allah is the best. Oh, hold on, I have to something. Oh, what's going on in here? It must be the chloride. I just get into my nose today, actually, in the ground school, as we were actually pressing down, actually, on the wall, some liquid into it to get the water away. Oh, it must be the chloride or something. Sorry. Here we go again. I'm that myself. Yeah, 10 wives. Oh, I think there was 11th one. When she's coming up in here. Sabrina? Just kidding. I'm not funny. Come on, dude. You're stealing my time. You're talking about your sister, yourselves. You know, you're dealing done with the green stuff. I'm trying actually to making a live stream. More than 1.5 hours, I'm doing nothing. Trying to translate myself, your answers from German to English again, and from English to German to English. That is crazy stuff. Oh yeah, and you may be saying, my paperback as well. In Germany, they are lowered since the 1st April this year. But how many grams you have, you got like a promille worth like 1.6 or something. If you just having a little special dose of Mariana, I have to say it, Ejay, whatever, MJ. Then they say it's like you can drink 2 beers and you still can actually go into the traffic. Welcome to Germany. And now they're thinking of the 1st April this year. Now they think we have the 10th or 11th April, right? Now they're thinking, oh, we did a mistake. If you're just smoking like this grams, it's like actually you're drinking like 2 or 4 beers. And you're getting a little sleepy. Beer is not making this up on the traffic, you know, especially in Germany, Bavaria. If you just let drink actually from Hanover, Bremen, Frankfurt, Berlin, Brandenburg, whatever they're coming from, Niedersachsen, they may be drinking 2 beers and they're more stoned, like actually they're smoking 2 or 3, actually punishing through and too long. They don't like beer very much. In Bavaria, it's normal to drink every day maybe 2 or 3 beers. Or like myself, 6 to 10 beers. A little complicated, little tequila, rum and cola, it doesn't matter. This is my chilling time on CarX, right? I'm standing still in front of the toilet, 50 meters in front of my console, and still the headset is working. And I'm trying to pee, and I'm talking over this Mariana and versus alcohol, right? So the Germans have a little problem with the policy all the times. And there's actually some healthy minister right now that say, yeah, 1st April, finally everybody can smoke Mary J. Yeah. And how many beers can I have as a normal traffic driver? What the other one smokes and get a little bit sidewards or something, feeling a little bit flat. And they say actually 3 beers, 2-3 beers or something, maybe 4 beers. Oh, a week later, we didn't thought about that one very correctly. So the traffic drivers with cars can drink actually right now 3 beers over the day and still can move the car. As the same one that Mary J actually can do as well. Where was the minister actually of these heaviness? What? And Carlsberg, whatever. Well, I give a fuck. I live in Bavaria. If I have normally a license for driving and somebody stopped me about 6 beers from the construction workers on this crack at 15 o'clock, 16 o'clock, driving home to the compound, I actually noticed police officer already, so, you know, this is a car actually from the compound, from the construction work company where I'm working, and you can talk about them. But that's only possible in Baden-Württemberg, Bavaria, and maybe in Sachsen-Anhalt. But the rest of Germany is going cruel. Okay, Saarland, close to France. They say, okay, that's okay, maybe. But the rest of Germany and High Germany, up the north, not the south where I'm living, they're not so funny about that one. You're going to jail. I mean it real. But they don't can decide the politics, and that's why we're still fighting about this. I have the first time and the last time I was smoking Mary J, that was 2011 in Sylvester. There was 7, what's it calling? If you just getting a breath, 7 breaths, okay, of Mary J in 2011 in Sylvester. I saw myself actually talking. I was going out of myself and saw myself talking to my aunt and to my grandmother at the Sylvester night at 2 o'clock. And I was in fluent talking German very fast, and I was saying, oh gosh, stop, Chris, stop. And I was talking and talking and talking. What was happening to my grandfather? And all blah, 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 blah. So if you are just in the army time, and I was in the army time, and you just get a hostile or something, and somebody was saying, alright, get ready for the driller or something, making pain on you to talk, I will actually saying, stop that stuff, give me Mary J. I will talk whatever you want. Seriously, I'm not joking about that one. That's why I'm talking very much, because I'm drinking beer, tequila, smoking my cigarillos, you know, so yeah, well. I'm not an asshole, you know, I'm just open up for everything, but, you know, sometimes by yourself, I thought all the times, or maybe it is still, you hack in my computer system for no reason, there's only porn on it a lot, and a lot of actually videos and pictures actually from my younghood I just recorded, that's it. Oh, my DJ work, yeah, my DJ work. Don't worry, you can hack it. I still have actually a hard drive on my, you know, I don't want to talk. So, you can destroy my complete computer system actually, double times actually in my treasure actually, so no worry about that one. If you hack or something, have fun, but please don't hack again the PlayStation Network account. Makes no fun to start up new games, old games, and starting up a new and trying to make platinum again. It destroys me and makes no happiness actually coming from a long construction work, coming home, organizing, writing the hours from the construction workers, make the materials, in the same time you're a bricklayer and you're dealing down with special work that the other person's actually on the construction like don't want to deal with up. Then you're writing everything that coming home, computer system is dead, PlayStation Network is again hacked away. So we right now about 100,000 K or something. Thank you very much for that one. Then I give up and I don't want to play actually any more console. I never played on PC, but there was some games like Doom, Crysis, Far Cry, Tomb Raider. Oh gosh, that's it. You know what happened? She was hoping you were single. Huh? Hell, dude, mate. I told you that was the joke about the 10 girls I still have and this stuff. That was just fun.
I am single. LOL. Never got sex in my life.
This is accounting.
Virtually yes, smile.
I'm not sure, but that is just fun as well. Hold on, here we go. Here we go.
Honey.
Is it?
Right hand not counts.
Sorry. What happened here? YouTube. Oh, wow, it's 11:30. Oh shit, hurry up. Tomorrow's a full day, but 9 hours. Coming back at 18 o'clock. Right now we have a 11:30 nighttime PM. What is PM meaning? Pre-morning? What is AM meaning? A lot of morning? What is A meaning for AM? What is A meaning for AM? Almost morning? What is the meaning then actually between morning and pre-morning? Or what is that? What the fuck, America? GM. Tide morning. No, hold on. Tonight morning. No, God, this is bullshit. What is AM, PM? There must be something different about this. Between. Who the fuck just say AM? I don't know what is this A meaning. After morning? After. Oh, come on, what the. Bullshit, man. Morning is morning. Pre-morning or. I don't know what even. This is bullshit. The German knows 18 o'clock. The American says, what's 18 o'clock? You have to say 6 p.m. You son of a hopes. You are Great Britons, you are France, Portuguese, and Germans. And you don't know about 18 o'clock, you Americans? Even the South Americans know what 18 o'clock means. What is wrong with these Americans? It's always funny. Like soccer and football. You son of a bitches, I seriously have to say that. Soccer is not soccer. Soccer is something where you can play with a pistol, with water pistol or something. With a water pistol, you're shooting something in your face. A football is football. You're playing with the foot. They playing maybe 5% in the rugby mode, actually, with get covered in gear, playing with the foot. 95%, you are just carrying the ball. Red card, every fucking second. We in Germany, you in Europe, we all over the world saying football to it. Fußball. This is like, I hate America for that thematic. Done. Yeah, it is like that. Who decide like that crack? Firstly, Germany and Brazil came first before America, right? USA. Germany, Japan, Brazil, Great Britain. We came first. Fußball, football. And America said, football is football. Yeah, 5% football you're playing. Maybe 2%. The rest you carrying in the hand. Out of the field, sir. Red card. Get over. This is not football. You calling us soccer? I'm sorry, I'm getting, you see what happened here, if it just happened, soccer and football, right? They want to say, we have to talk about soccer to it. It is football, soccer is not existing for us. Spunk, she said, huh? What is wrong with you, dude? Now it's getting confused. To who I'm talking anyway, and that's completely fake, definitely. I'm not a mastermind. And I'm not even a mastermind for that stuff. Actually, pranking for that one. I just make an illusion for that. That a skeleton? And I thought actually Gava Max survives because Halloween, where should I put you? So that guy actually have us, you know, that's it in here now, or whatever, I'm talking to Larry now anymore. Why she, your, I mean, sister, get covered with honey spunk? Oh, come on, it's bullshit. You say she's a nurse?
A bit strange.
Oh, okay, that's why she's getting spunked actually with honey on her body system. What's going on in here? Did I just forget something here, or she was hoping you were single? I am single. Honey, covered in spunk, she said. What kind of... She's masturbating in front of you? She said, you're a bit strange. Is she a cat or something? What is wrong with you, mate? You're getting confusing, mate. Seriously. I'm a real person and I'm acting real. I mean, acting is not even a word for that, saying I'm living real. But you trying to act in here? I'm not sure about you, mate. Are you maybe weighing over 700 pounds or something? You're telling me stuff like that? To get a free car for somewhere else in Germany? Because you hate Germany because Brexit and all this stuff? Because I don't can trust you, Larry. I don't can trust you, mate. Okay, you sent me some picture about your side, but how can I trust you, mate? Oh, I think this is gonna be actually until 0 o'clock, until I actually must sell it. Oh, gosh.
I don't care.
Yeah, I think me too as well. That your sister squirting right now around yourself? You don't care? Or was that with the honey pot or something? Come on, dude. Don't kick ass. If you just want to watch some porn, then go with Pornhub.
But my sister does like you.
What does does mean? I mean, doesn't like me is okay, she don't like me. Does like you. I don't know her. We never speak the guy. You know, we watch. I'm sorry, music is loud. Hold on. Fucking Spotify. We never talked about each other. We don't was talking over Skype or here in the party chat anymore anyway. Never. We speak. So I can trust you. There was no real voice. There was no real picture from you. I show myself in the internet, even on Facebook. If you want to have it, no problem. I don't know you, and I don't know your sister. Maybe not even Great Britons. Maybe you came in from India or something. Because they're always so hot and all this stuff and making this stuff up, you know. I know these one. I'm Catholic, but actually I'm not going to church. What about that one? You going to church? I'm romantic Catholic. I am not going to church. I'm only going to church if somebody died or get married. Okay, that's something else. Maybe you Buddhism. I'm not sure. Maybe you Islamism. I'm not sure. I don't care anymore about that one anymore. Everybody has a God, but there's no God. There's only actually something existing. It calls extraterrestrial. And they just was planting the dinosaurs before actually the humans. The dinosaur died by the comet. I think, okay, we have another seed in here. Let's do that seed. It calls human. So they helped us out. That's what the Mara, as I was told before, to help them out with tools. And I'm trust this shit. What is that meaning? But my sister does like you. Does is always like a non-pronounced, like saying she don't likes you. She was like you, or actually don't likes you. What is does meaning? I know DOS. Yeah. Just kidding. Do not touch a running system, right? Something like this shit. Okay, I want to draw. What's that? Do? Oh, do. Do. No, do is actually with DHUGH, right? Or something. This crack. I'm not sure. I'll let you alone. Whatever you're doing, each other, sister and brother. Just kidding. Don't upload that on Pornhub or something. This crack, okay? Why I'm acting weird is because I don't know the life situation right now with you dealing down right now in your own home, apartment.
You wanna join?
No, I don't wanna incest stuff. I don't wanna join. Okay, that's just kidding right now. They don't do incest. If somebody's watching each other, they don't doing incest stuff. But I'm not sure what's going on in this. It should be funny, right? But I can't laugh because my movie is actually still exists.
She also plays Battlefront 2.
Yeah, maybe on PC. I don't know about a PlayStation. I'm not playing these war games. I was in army time. That was enough, okay? These games are unrealistic as shit. If you're dead, you're dead. You're not surviving or revived. There was something revived. You're not revived. You're dead. And she especially should know these war games as a nurse. That these war games are bullshit.
Star Wars on PlayStation.
If she get experience, I don't want to actually say some words, but experience all the stuff. The older games didn't give you the experience of real life, but these newer games, yeah, they're a little bit real. Especially rally games, of course. That's why I'm still playing actually racing games since more than 20 years, but it doesn't matter. War games for me, fuck the shit. Go in a real war soon, and then you know, will you losing? Will you get into it? All this stuff, you know, this is bullshit what these war games are making up. It's just a show. It's just a show like actually Americans just making movies. It's just show. Triple times show. It's kind of Elvis, Michael Jackson's always show. Making only for the public. When real life is bullshit. A big lie. Oh yeah, America is a big lie? I didn't say that, right? It is.
Two nonsense.
It's not calling Hollywood Bollywood. It's called actually. There must be a new name for that. Two nonsense. Can I play right now? Releasing the Pisces, please. Alright, I'm dead inside right now. Music up. Face into the beer. But up for Fords. What? Sorry. But up for suspension for drifting in. Come on, mouse. Let's keep on moving, mate. I hate that music. Focus, easy. Umleitung. Das Geräusch. A 500 XP! Awesome! Okay. Next one, come on, Foster up in here. Oh man, it's getting cold, I need a jacket. Are you kidding, you warm doucher? Vad är det med? Här kommer Varika. What's that shit doing in the undone in here? Oh, ready for tomorrow? What's my weight? 242 pounds? Oh well. Yeah, exactly, fat boy. You may be fat. Actually, not really, but that's the drinking part, I know. There was a chance, actually, we were 20 years old. There was a chance to have a girlfriend, marry her. But she went off. Gone. Because the father and mother. Never will get actually fat, I told myself. And now I'm actually getting a little fat. I hate myself for that stuff. If you have no actually family, it makes life very difficult. I'm not ashamed, I'm a good construction worker and I don't give a fuck. Cleaning up my apartment all the times. Be respectful about alcohol. So who the fuck then? Oh, there's a short one, right? I have something else for myself. Gava Mac 67. You can beat that, but I just want to go somewhere else. Was that a 6 and a 4? No, that's a 3,358, right? Let's deal down actually a fast one of this crack. Ooh, Don't forget me. Let me spit less. What's that calling? Adaptability on the most exciting young artist in Russia. What's the hell, man? 2019? In 1998, actually, I started up my DJ career. I just gave up because nobody's watching actually. Ejay, Magic Music Maker. Are you okay? A little hair and here and there. Mascotti. Crack, come on, dude. Grandfather. You coming through with this? Still enjoying my cigarette. Oh, come on. Hey, wait a second. You smoked them wrong. Oh, Nitro the Bat, I'm sorry. Here we go. That's a real one. Come inside. 2 months actually stick that Nitro the bat down below. Actually, the cigarette in the wrong place. There's a small edition when it got extended, right? On the cigarette without the filters. 2 months on. It was wrong sticking into her mouth. Oh my gosh. Smoking cigarettes without filters actually more than 20 years now. Hold on, let me guess. 20 years? 17 years old? 18 years. Since 18 years I'm smoking cigarettes without filters. I hated the cigarettes. 16 years I was. Then I make it myself, my cigarettes. Menthol cigarettes. And then somehow my grandmother just picked up some cigarettes. I mean cigarettes, not the cheap one from Brazil. So I liked it with the filter. 2 weeks later she was bought me actually without filter. I loved it more. Since more than 18 years now I'm smoking cigarettes without filters. And the last time I was on my uncle's side by 5 kilometers with my bicycle, there was no kind of lung problem. I came over, I even didn't sweat. I came in, my uncle was waiting, not for myself, he was waiting actually for his mother. Is that okay with the plucking the flowers in here and there? Came into the, compound of my uncle, the farmerhood. Oh, is that Christopher? And I just turn around and say, oh, Uncle, what the hell are you doing in here with your flower work? Isn't normally the work of you? The grandmother's getting old. Okay, now I got you. So if you saw my bicycle, mountain bike, better say, blah, blah, blah. And I was saying, look at that, I'm not even breathing hard. I was taking 8 minutes for 15, or what are they calling that? So actually kind of a 5 to 7 kilometers, downhill, uphill. I didn't even, I was just normally talking to him, saying, look at that. And maybe I broke my record actually on the street as well with the bicycle after more than 8 years. I was coming to you again, as I was living on her side to go into construction compound. That was what the fuck. Saying, you see, I'm not sweating. You know myself. If I'm working a bit and half out, I'm getting sweaty. And I was taking 7 minutes, I'm not even sweating. I was surprised. He was double surprised. So see, after 8 years not driving bicycle and smoking a lot of cigarettes, drinking a lot of alcohol, I am still myself, not even better than. Nah, we were surprised, yeah. That is cool. Still my bicycle right now from Cube is actually standing, mountain bicycle of course, standing in the compound of the company where I'm working for. Always ready, if something happened, I want to go over. And the hops work are still starting right now. And so, every Saturday, Sunday, you want to drink, playing video games, or want to go to your uncle. Or visit actually somebody else from the construction side. Of course, Christopher actually drinking from Friday to Saturday very hard. Smirnoff, vodka. Saturday he wants to need actually to sleep out. Then it's midday. You want to go actually to the supermarket. Nope, maybe 19 o'clock. But it's still bright, so you don't go. Sunday you say, alright, go to your uncle and yourself. Now I want to play some interesting video game, and you don't go to your uncle. It was actually November, last year I just was going to my uncle. My grandmother actually close to die. Maybe 1 year today, 2 years, and Well, I don't want to, you know, I want to see her, but the problem is, like, in this condition, I can't remember anyone and her, then makes me very sad. I worked a lot of times actually on my two uncles and my grandmother's side, the farmhood, the pigs, with the hops, the cereals. Oh man, as I was telling, as my 6th year stopped actually with I was 28. Work was something like more important for me then. That was from 9 years ago. Life's changing. That's my own family, my only family actually. Mother sometimes 1 or 2 times in a year she's calling me. My father maybe 1 in 2 years, 1 times in 2 years. Not even on my birthday, that guy actually was typing me a message, happy birthday Christopher. Nothing. He got birthday at 17 May. I will type him a message. I was very screw up actually to him the last year. Meanwhile, on I think it was August or something, I called him. I was very an asshole to him as he was getting a production for the free TV. He was actually recording German TV, but you know, fuck it. Cheers up. Oh, Larry just typed something. Sorry, Larry. Of course. What happened?
She said, have you got a big PP? How old you guys are?
Bother.
Fine.
Bother. How you type bother? Bather? Bather? Bother. Bother.
Bather.
Blother. Sorry.
Batter. Bladder.
I'm sorry. Bother about that one. Don't worry about that one.
Heart shape.
I survived a long time by myself. Teach myself a long stuff and very much, I have to say, a lot of stuff by myself. I see people's imaginary, but the security, or better say the safetyness was first. And seeing how can I do actually dealing this down actually with more safetyness. So I teach myself a lot. So all the times I say myself I have a twin, and it's still inside myself. It's a little child or something in myself. Everybody have a little child in himself. A little child. Being actually a father or something, you need this part of a little child, right? To be a little childish or something, you know. But there's another one somehow talking to me about security. I watched once in 1,000 slow and see this is going wrong. And I say, what the hell's going on with myself? Oh yeah, it's going wrong. And then you actually get this off before the construction worker doing something wrong, tripping and going to the hospital. So I'm very fast with decisions, you know. It's the same in the morning time or seeing at the clock, 6 o'clock and 50, and I'm jumping out of the bed. What's that? She asked if you're racist. What? Because I'm German? I'm not answering this one.
I'm not answer this. In Bavarian German and speak a bit English. answer is hardcore no.
Oh yeah, that's always good. What about this one? What's it calling then? You have these metric system, right? I'm not sure about. Does Great Britain have it in metric system? That's a good one.
minus 170 inch.
So this is actually an answer about. Forget about the inch and forget about the 0. And forget about the. Oh, I forgot the centimeters. Oh, god damn it. I'm an idiot. What is wrong? Huh? Come on, Larry. Let me play. Forget about these. She can actually talk by herself, right?
No answers anymore.
Ah, crap.
It is Sheila. It is playing CarX.
2 buttons with one. Oh man, my fingers are too fat. Your fingers are too fat to dial this. What was a telephone? That was a Simpson episode. Homer tried actually stayed at home. Was got very fat. Your fingers maybe not fit into the dials or something, and your fingers are too fat. Dial again. So, the keyboard is big, but yeah, well, sorry. Ah, May. Okay, completely forget that. Makes no sense for me anymore.
You look sexy, by the way. Party chat tomorrow with you both for trust. Bye.
That's a bullshit we're doing in here. Next beer. Dude, that's actually 11th beer now. I think I'm not acting actually drunk, right? No. This is so much gay. That guy is actually rolling down. Now I'm confused, dude. That is not wrong. That is totally wrong. This is unlimited, actually. What's wrong with the fire zipper in here?
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Who's talking now? Mata. Tadaimasu. I mean, mata desu. Ganbarimasu. Oh. Controller just died. Ich versuche jetzt abzuschalten. Die Schnauze voll. It's gonna be late. Hardcore music. Your turntable. Over the 8. Ganbarimasu. Ikso yo. Biru.
crack, what the hell? Sorry. It's just a smoke. Ventilation system, what's wrong with you? What can I deal with for you? Stage 3? The nonsense? Or stage 1? What's wrong? Have it up there. Let's see. Where is the flow going? Okay. Normally it's working, but sometimes there's thunder out there, but the wind is coming into my room. Living in an apartment in a corner. It should work actually. Why's the smoke always burning into my face? I hate that. Not working. Okay, let's try with a new cigarette. I hate that stuff. So 2.5 hours actually we waste myself with this stuff off, but everything's good. If she got a voice of Larry's sister, I can trust her. Let's see. The smoke is going. What is wrong then? Should I go? The ventilation is. Oh, closer! I know the keyboard in here. The musical keyboard. Let's see what's going on in here. Come on. Give me the flow. Get away. Yeah, that's better. Here we go. I think I find it. Cheers up, companions. Robert, salute, God, next beam. Well, 9 hours tomorrow. Come on, the construction work. Boring. I have so many ideas for mooring. This is like, you just get the plates in, right? I have A and B, a trickster, but I have C and D already in the plan. I mean, dang. And I like myself for that stuff. Everybody's just left me for that stuff, you know, MTLRL. I hate myself for being a little genius for the construction work sometimes. Oh, look at that. You beat it up. Coming closer, level 23. Come on, mouse. Left to right. Turning. Itinerary only, you say? Let's deal with this.
Good night, sweetheart. sister brotherhood is wired or just you are imagine your sister she never be their stuff virtually. I still can't trust you, Larry. I'm a bit bitten, may you are a lonely guy and do sick stuff on me. Strained mate.
Oh, that's gonna be interesting. That time. 1 minute 22. Oh gosh. Okay, that is gonna be a good one. 1.5 minute ride. Okay, let's see. These are drift tires, 110%. Let's see if I can beat that 1 minute and 22. Seriously, I mean so. I have feelings about that stuff. I mean, how to get stuff done. Oh man.
So you are spam tonight. WTF. Nurse sister cancelled her job by boss, lol. Bullshit. Nurses are needed even they have cancelled shift. Impossible. Emergency need nurse always. Good joke. But worst. Humans first.
That was close, 7 seconds. Okay. 85 XP, like always.
Not funny. You waste myself 2 hours of Livestream. Psn need to delete to Ejay. Takes a while GB does. Close to block you then.
Yeah, that was not fun ass man. If you have a sister, she's looking hot, dealing down with CarX. Always needed me to actually go into your room to seeing that I'm getting beaten up, maybe I'm beating you and all this stuff. Uninteresting. Then I'm quitting our friendship, mate. Sorry. That is no fun ass.
It is his sister, he's in the shower.
That was not fun ass, dude. I don't have nothing about Great Britain or something. Nothing. I like Great Britain. Having, you know, the dialect is a little different. I can't speak this out. They're very politics and all this stuff. I like Monty Python and all this stuff, but, you know, if you're just tricking me like that when you have a sister, she came home and she need to go to nursery again, all this stuff, get showered and consult on whatever you talked about. This is bullshit. I don't believe this stuff, very firstly. Wish her luck or something, but not from my heart out. Because I don't know Larry David or something you called. I'm standing in front of the toilet and I give a fuck. Keep it clear, man. Don't talk about German like that one, especially on me. I'm a Pisces. I believe very much, but that was trickster stuff. If you have a sister like that and you don't hold her name, something like that, you know, I'm very pissed now. So I think tomorrow, especially you just calling, making a comment in here, I will block you if you ever. So think about twice what you just did tonight. You just actually handled around more than 2 hours live stream, blocking myself into fantasy hours and all this stuff, where you living, going through incest and all this stuff for fun, of course. But come on, dude, that was a fine ass. I tried to chill out. I couldn't chill out. I couldn't chill out with this stuff. But you have a sister, she a nurse and blah 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 and here and there. So you stole me a 2 hours of live stream. So that was the worst live stream I just ever did with a Great Britain right now. Sorry, mate. That is not fine ass. I have nothing against another racism. No, I'm not. I speak a lot of languages, dude, and this is proving that I'm not a Nazi or something. I am not a Nazi, sir. I'm a Bavarian German that grew up in the farmer hood. We was always against the Nazi shit. Fuck these high Germans, these North Germans there. I'm from South Germany, goddammit. I can't tell more. It's just unfair. It's just unfair. It's like you're Great Britain. So you are sisters together with Ireland, whatever you call that. Oh, you have so many problems, right? But you're sisters and brothers. And there's another, you know, Scotland or something. You like Scotland? Scotland is the mother of Great Britain, right? So what's going on? You know what I'm meaning? You think you Great Britain came into Sherberhood or something? And then saying, oh, Scotland, yeah. Exactly, that's Bavaria against the whole rest of Germany. You Great Britain versus Scotland and Ireland. Oh, yeah, we are brothers, but there's so difficult stuff. Oh, man, the Green Day and all this stuff, you know, we have not in Great Britain. You know what this kind of hate feeling it is? Bavaria is Germany, but, well, we are just the biggest one of the country on Germany. But it makes no sense to connect each other with Brandenburg, Berlin, Hanover, Hamburg, Baden-Württemberg, Saxony-Anhalt. Bavaria is a free state of Germany. It's like, you know, Great Britain as well, but Scotland has some petitions, you know. Scotland is Scotland, Ireland is Ireland, but you're saying it's England. It is completely Great Britain. It is not, right? And Germany is the same. So don't think that we have talked to not to Bavaria again. Scotland or Ireland can talk to me, but Great Britain to Bavaria is a mistake. Don't joke with Bavaria, mate. We actually getting people's diplomas and they're learning a lot here in Bavaria. You're a free state, you can learning study stuff for free. Doesn't matter in European where we're coming from. We giving actually diplomas free. But you have to learn. You have to get, it's like in America as well. Not like in India, Indonesia or something, you just go to Africa, you get a diploma for 1 week or something, you're learning and teaching, get a good note, and you get your diploma. No. Even Switzerland fucked it up with diplomas to get done, dealing done to be a doctor or something. In Bavaria, Germany, dude, we're one of the best actually on the, we have to say that, clinical actually something works on with diplomas. You can go everywhere and all over the countries, all over the world. Even the Japanese respect, and that's why the Japanese girl came to Germany, Bavaria. She was get teach about the doctor title. Don't tell me that Bavaria is not. And that is for free, goddammit. We pay for that. Our taxes in Bavaria goes to that titles. For Japan, Chinese, Indonesia, doesn't matter where they're coming from. This is for free, dude. I am paying for that as a construction worker. And so you're thinking Great Britain is Great Britain, there's Scotland, Ireland, you know, and then England stuff. It's like Bavaria, Baden-Württemberg, destroyed, right? Don't joke about your own country as well. I'm not racism. That is kind of this topic, you know. I'm so sorry for that one. Be glad where you're from and stuff, but Brexit completely devastated us, completely cut us off. Actually, this weird island, Monty Python, versus actually something we just dealing done with Germany, but actually Bavaria's kind of Germany. You maybe find in Hawaii. Oh, hold on. What can be Australia? I think kind of Bavaria is like Australia. That Great Britain always forgetting New Zealand as well. I don't know, I can't explain. Bavaria is difficult like Germany, but we are still Germany, but Bavaria is still a topic to say. This is kind of a Bundesstaat you never will forget. We have the dialect of USA. Because you know, the war and all this stuff from the World War II. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm standing at the toilet again and talking about the shit. I'm not a history master or something about it. I'm a construction worker and I just wanna, you know, fuck it off. It's like I'm talking to my uncle in German, but high specific in details, very fast. And I can't translate that very fast in English. So I'm sorry. Puta madre. Ay, pomornie so. Oh, manchmal denke ich mir, das könnte mein eigener Boss sein, der da so einen Schwachsinn redet. Zuzutrauen wäre es ihm. Oder der Typ, der den Server verwaltet. Ja, jetzt glaube ich, habe ich ihn schon. Das ist der Typ, der den Server verwaltet von meinem Boss, der redet jetzt gerade mit mir und möchte rausfinden, was für ein Typ ich bin. Die Schnauze voll, Alter. Leben ist doch scheiße, ich möchte mich auch gerne umbringen. It's just a time actually to having a box in Germany where you can kill yourself. Having a 357 or something and just kill yourself. Waiting actually for more than 16 years now for that stuff. But Germany says suicide is forbidden. So you have to do and deal down with yourself. And all the times I'm close for that. Life makes no sense, we working, blah blah blah, coming home, cleaning up, playing a video game in here. Boring. And then somebody actually telling us something else, like blah blah blah, his sister and here and there. I don't care anymore what he's saying anymore. He's actually a virtual AI. So this, what was his name? Larry David is just a joke. He's not real. Alright. Talking to myself anymore? Yeah, I do. Deal done all the times. I give a fuck. I'm done. He's not real.
You're a sexy mess.
Okay, now I'm blocking you because it's bullshit what you're talking. You're not even English. This is bullshit, dude. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Let's see. Bullshit he's talking, mate. I mean, he's not talking bullshit, but he was talking right now. She's in shower and blah blah blah. Incest of where he's coming from. He's not from Great Britain. What kind of a bullshit is that, you know? Makes me very sad. We talked actually over 2 hours now. For what? For bullshit. She's not a nurse. She never got a sister. Maybe that's a guy actually sitting in his seat or something and just talking crack like Americans as well. Ordering all the times every 2 hours actually a pizza or something. The call's actually fishing over the internet right now. So fuck this crack. There's so much I know. Not tired. I was working in 3 areas today. 2 difficult works. That's the first time over more than I think 80 years we did 2 construction dry laying plates into a wall in different areas. That is more than 80 years. My boss actually is still actually turning in the grave hood. That was the first time we did actually 2 times on the same day, starting up, and in the end the other one, but actually that was the starting up and then the end at 11 o'clock, going the other side to doing a man. It's kind of 20 kilometers far away. No, never happened. 80 years, I promised myself maybe when I meet my old boss. That is the first time he dry lying, pressing plates into it in different areas. 20 kilometers away. That must be maybe happened maybe for 80 years ago. But the cars wasn't ready for that as well. I think he's starting up this construction bricklaying, dry laying plates getting into the wall for 40 years or something. So I may be longer together as my boss was just tried it. I don't know. I need to meet him. But there's no hell, there's no heaven. So how I meet him? Maybe the guy's just watching me, but you know. This is gonna be interesting because maybe I'm the longest guy right now on the construction, dry laying, getting plates into the wall stuff, work. He may was longer now, a year or 2 years now. So 2 years, I can't say I'm longer together with this dry laying, with these plates, pressing into the walls. I got overreached by boss actually by these years. I'm not sure. This is weird. I don't like that company in here, what I'm doing and dealing done. Right now today my right hand of the boss was saying, "How? You're thinking in 2 years is over? I need 5 years now to end up my job. So you still have a safe place in construction work 5 years long." I said, 2 years? I need to watch for what? 5 years? Are you sure? Oh my gosh. That right hand of the boss already watching me. Seeing you're a good worker. We need you. So 5 years. What's in 5 years? I'm 42. Oh gosh. And then he's making his painting job and I'm not sure. I'm not surviving anyway the next years. Too many alcohol, too many smoke, too many stress. I want to kill myself all the time since I was actually 6 years old. Starting up to work with this with no God and all. And still I'm alive. 20 I was saying with 30 I'm dying. With 30 I was saying actually with 40 I'm dying. I'm going to 40. 3 years left. This is too much for myself. Too much for my brain. 3 years still left. Fuck it. Drink yourself. There's no father, no mother, nothing else helps me. No family shit. Everybody's joking about me. So fuck it. Better go offline. Don't do live streams anymore. Everybody's just joking, as I was seeing on Legendaries. Wow, the half bottle of tequila. Okay, I'm sorry for that one. But still myself. Not even drunk. But the time is running out. I just want to eat my salad. Who cares of me? To already have the same work all the times, 9 hours long. This is actually for people's. Forget me there. Construction workers just dealing down 9 hours is work. But we have to press all the times plates in 9 hours long. This is a job we're making money actually for the company itself 3 weeks long. For what we're pressing tomorrow in by 2 workers. When they're working with 5 workers on the construction site for 1 day. We are actually 3 weeks in front of them with the money for the company. And you can't stop and make a break. You have to press with your knee. You have with your knees pressing it down with the machine into the wall. And that's very hard work. I have still bruises right now after 4 hours. And they are just running around, have 5 workers, a crane driver. This is silly low work. And we are doing the high pressure work. And we have 9 hours to deal done to get the 42 hours in a week. Hey, this is so unfair. They're making maybe down 100,000. In the same time we're dealing down with a 500,000 for 1 day. as they was dealing done with a week with 5 workers instead of 2 workers in 1 day. So I'm sorry, after 1 plate normally a 50-minute break. This is so unfair, but when my old boss still being alive, he hits me with the fucking card, something just saying stop, 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 make break. But my young boss right now, his son, thinking it's so easy to deal done. He have no experience for that shit. I deal done with this 8 years now. That's a side work, you get a lot of money because the plates are costing very much. They're not rusting or something else. And these are the perfect plates we are dealing done. As a normally strained plate, not ripped. What kind of a bullshit they're dealing done anyway, these other 2 companies in Bavaria. So we should be actually very glad about this one, very happy about this one. Because not even in Germany this is not happening, but we are dealing done with this. This technology goes to China, you're just dead. 16 people are working with 1 plate, and we doing deal done with 2 workers, 1 worker. A joke, right? This is traditional work we are dealing. Tomorrow I just want to talk about this to my boss. He don't have no answers for this. If his father will be alive, that own son gets slapped in actually the compound with his cord. This is so unfair what I'm dealing done with this experience. No, I'm so sorry, but that's so unfair. The right hand of the boss says, no stress, no stress. And his own son is working with me, giving him the experience about that one. Today we are just pressing from 1 to 10 actually stars, a 8 plate into it to a 9er. And this is a very hard plate. You did an hour for 1 plate for 60 centimeters. Are you kidding me, dude? And he even drilled actually through the complete bricks. How hard can it be, right? But it is so many stuff coming from the earth into the bricks that is so not dried, it's very wet. And the plates are just going crazy. Oh my gosh, what I'm dealing and doing done here. I'm actually the boss for myself. I hate to be getting this done, but this is not fair. 2 walls by myself today. Where was my old boss? He was try to hit me. He watching me. I was in a room, maybe that's why he could show off with an X-ray. If he's in heaven or hell or something, I don't care. There's no heaven and hell, I know that. Need to concentrate right now on drifting. I just want to chill out, goddammit. Yeah, yourself. What a liar. Ja, Model Cup können wir schon spielen heute, ja. Oh, fucking crack. Very sure about actually playing Mortal Kombat 10 or 11. Or just saying actually this CarX. Gut, ist beschissen. Hab mich angelogen.
I don't care now. Six hours sleep left. Infist, what happened to your brother? I'm not the guy for foul tea towers with John Kless. Don't forget, I am German Bavarian. I am just the worst. So let me alone. I grow alone, IDE alone. In just nothing worth. As my fam created me.
Excuse me. I hate that. Typing the keys and... sorry. Just an incident I am. Breaking the record of 666. Here we go. I'm like glad about that one. The 666. I did watch about that one. That was actually a record for myself. Brittle down at 666 and stuff. AVGN. Make some videos. I'm dead inside. Watching still my salad I'm eating. Watching Panic Mechanic, but it's so late now. It's close to 0 o'clock. How will they survive tomorrow? That was not a chill time, that was bring me down to earth. I'm so dead inside. No trust in this car. Let's see where we're going wrong or right. Shit, I had to learn about that car. Oh fuck, smoke.
Ad-lib stream was so much unfair. I'm gone.